Yeah, you might not want to be watching this game if you plan to play through it. There's been spoilers all day long. No, who gets some fucking badass? Who gets some Jax arms? Some fucking Mortal Kombat Jax arms. It'll be badass.
God. Lock it from the inside.
Done. I can't.
Thank you.
Not at this point. I can't use any items. It's just pure will. Will of Snake and will of fucking Brad. Or Brad ass, as they like to say sometimes. Dude, he can hold swords with his feet. Do you understand? He's an accomplished sword fighter in both hands, a mouth, and both feet. He could sword fight with 5 swords at once. That's way more than Ryu could ever do. You missed the greatest video game idea in history. Oh my god! And just imagine if Kojima and Itagaki worked together. They'd be like the 2 biggest rock stars ever! Wow! Just imagine Metal Gear Solid with even bigger, more jiggly boobs. My god! My god! Oh! God damn it, Snake, you better fucking go.
Snake, that place is saturated with microwaves. The longer you stay in there, the greater
Come on,
damage
Snake.
you'll take.
Come on,
Get
Snake.
through there as quickly as possible.
Oh my god, everyone's dying. Come on! Ah, no!
Don't give up on me, Snake!
America! Fuck yeah! Harold and Johnny! Fuck yeah! Big cannon on boats! Fuck no! Ride it! Ah! Fuck yeah! No! Bailey! Fuck yeah! Otacon! Tries like a bitch! Random soldier! Fuck yeah! Metal Gear Ray! Fucking Poe! Bailey! Fuck her in the butt! Yeah! Meryl! Daddy! Fuck yeah! Oh my god, Snake, you better fucking go! Hey, fuck yeah! Real kid, fuck no! Hiding, fuck yeah! Garbage, fuck yeah!
Get up, Snake!
Get up! Bro, jiggly boobs, fuck yeah! Come on, Snake, right? Fuck yeah! My hands are gonna die! Rose, fuck yeah! Campbell, fuck yeah! Mark 3! Wire, you don't look good. You look like you're gonna die. Meryl, fuck yeah! Come on, Snake. Come on, Snake, you're almost there. Come on, Snake. Just Snake. You still have 6 unused Playboy. Creepy looking older daughter. Fuck yeah! Her eggs finally don't suck. You've got to get moving.
Please!
Oh no!